What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve complex equations with imaginary numbers. All right, so here we have 4x plus 2i is equal to 8 plus yi. So in order to solve these, all you have to do is really combine like terms, all right? So here you can see, let's start with imaginary numbers. Here we have an I, here we have an I, right? 2i, yi. So we're going to just set those equal to each other. So we're going to say that 2i is equal to yi. All right, and then we're going to take the other two, so this 4x and this 8, and we're going to set those equal to each other, right, since those are just kind of normal. So we're going to say that 4x is equal to 8. Okay, so then here, to solve for x, we could just, divide both sides by 4. So then here we get that x is equal to 2, right? And then here, the first thing you want to do is just drop the i's. Okay, so then we're just left with 2 is equal to y. All right, and then there's nothing else left to solve, right? It just gives us our answer straight away. So we get that y is equal to 2. All right, so x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. All right, next we have negative 12x plus 26yi is equal to 60 minus 13i. All right, so again, matching like terms. So here we have 26yi, and we're going to set that equal to this I over here. And make sure you include the sign. So this is going to be negative 13i. Right, so we have 26yi is equal to negative 13i. All right, and then the other two that we have is negative 12x and 60, right? So we're going to set those equal to each other. So negative 12x is equal to 60. All right, so to solve for x over here, we'll just divide both sides by negative 12. So then here we get that x is equal to negative 5, right? And then over here, again, you just want to drop the i's. That's the first thing. So then you just wind up with a normal equation like that, right? So then we just get 26y is equal to negative 13, right? So to solve for y, we'll get rid of this 26 by dividing both sides by 26, right? So these cancel out. So then we get that y is equal to negative 1/2, right? Negative 1/2, just like that. All right, last one here. So 15 minus 3yi is equal to 1/2 x plus 2i. We're just throwing a fraction in here, all right? But it's okay, we'll solve it. So again, the first thing, we're just gonna set like terms equal to each other. So negative 3yi, right? So negative 3y. But remember, we're gonna drop the I, so I'm just gonna drop it right now. And then we're gonna set that equal to our other I over here, 2i, right? Positive 2i, so we'll just put a positive 2 right there. And then here we have 15 and 1/2 x, right? So those are our normal ones. We'll set those equal to each other. 15 is equal to 1/2 x, okay? So to solve for x over here, we need to get rid of this fraction. So all we need to do is multiply by the reciprocal, right? So we need to multiply by 2 over 1, which is the same thing as just multiplying by 2, right? So we're going to multiply this whole side by 2 and multiply this whole side by 2, all right? So then on this side, these cancel out. So then we're just left with x is equal to 2 times 15, which is 30. All right, so we get x is equal to 30 right there. And then here for y, we'll divide both sides by negative 3, right, to isolate the y. Those cancel out, and we're left with y is equal to negative 2/3. Great job, boys and girls. So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below.